just a bit of basic training. If you are on the off chance to get a nail gem, it will be loaded and locked up in the top here. So simply remove your fastenings, which I have already done so. The catch can still be in there, and all it takes was some long nose pliers like so. Get in there, grab the nail out, and the key thing to do right here and right now is once that nail is removed, don't add the nails, but close the gate, no fastenings involved, and plug in the hose and dry fire it into a offcut of timber. So what that'll do is the driver blade is now reset and ready for the next load of nails to come in. Right. Tools like these you really want to look after, and the best way to do that is Delfast Air Tool oil. 5 drops of oil every 2 hours where you connect the hose. As soon as you put the hose in, for every shot you're going to lubricate that tool. If you know for a fact that this tool isn't going to get used in the next 3 to 4 weeks and it's just going to be sitting inside the case, we really want to keep this tool lubricated whilst it's sitting in here and not just drying out. So we're going to unplug our hose, we're going to grab our Delfast Air Tool oil, we're going to put it in the back, and we're just going to give it a good squeeze. It would be around about 10 drops. 10 drops, take them off, plug us in our hose. We've got no fasteners in, and we're just going to dry fire it 5 times, sorry. Now we're good to put them away. Well, that's it, team. Thank you for watching this overview video on the Delfast Roll Cap Nailer.